Maybe I should kill myself. Blame it on my ADD, baby. Maybe I'm a different breed. Maybe I'm
You go. Hey guys, I'm John.
I'm Daniel.
And you're watching
Mas Putos. So today on Mas Putos, we're doing a Bean Boozled challenge to redemption, our last encounter with our Buff Bunny. So it's gonna be me against John to see who's the tiebreaker. And obviously I'm gonna win, but he doesn't know that yet.
So,
And we got Bez here.
I'm gonna let you explain. So last time, so they tied for the Bean Boozled challenge on the last vlog. So they're gonna duel it out and see whoever gets, I guess, the worst tasting Bean Boozleds. They're gonna.
Yeah. I guess the one who loses, who loses is the one who spits it out.
So before they try each one, they're gonna tell you what it's supposed to taste like, and whoever I guess gets the best tasting one wins.
Okay.
But
So
how are we doing this though?
So we're gonna roulette it. So I say we start from here to here, like go down.
Do you have a coin we can just flip?
Oh.
Just pick each one. Just pick one at a time and see what it says.
Okay.
Okay. So we're gonna.
You choose, I choose, you choose, I choose, until we hit like a fucking like grenade and we're like
Scared.
die.
Scared.
You spit it out, you lose.
Bruh.
That's the game. All right. So if you spit it out, or you gag, or you're about to spit it out, lose. You have to stay straight face.
You gonna start with something easy?
What do you mean something easy? They're
Because
all fucking grenades.
this one can either be toothpaste or berry blue.
Toothpaste.
Or berry blue.
Okay, start with the toothpaste and berry blue then.
Okay. So.
Do you want to flip who goes first, or do you want to go first?
Just pick one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just pick one and do it at the same time.
Grab one.
There you go.
Okay.
Alright, so this is either toothpaste or berry blue.
Bitch, you dropped mine. All right.
Alright,
Cool.
ready?
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Mine was berry blue.
Mine was berry blue.
Wow. All right. Tiebreaker.
No, that was definitely toothpaste.
Yeah, that was Colgate.
Wait, you wanna try it? We got one.
All right, I'll try it.
Here, this is gonna be Bez's.
All right, so there's 3. I'll try one. That's toothpaste.
Which one was berry blue then?
You
No, wait, that was Colgate.
Toothpaste doesn't taste that bad.
Okay.
That was freshness white. That was total white.
Okay, so this one. Oh, bro. No.
What is it?
Hell no. Booger or juicy pear.
What does it say?
Okay, this one is either booger or a juicy pear.
Wrong. Go.
Okay, 1, 2.
Go.
That was a pear.
No, I don't know.
You guys are booger. No, it wasn't really that bad.
It wasn't that bad either. Mine was kind of just.
Maybe they're both juicy pear.
Well,
Bad.
that's disappointing.
Oh yeah, because there's these.
Next one.
Okay, this one is either long clippings or lime.
Hey, we 3 of us. Can do
Okay,
this.
so 3 of us can do this.
Why
one.
is there like 10?
All right. I'll take this one.
Oh, this
Okay.
one.
All right. 1, 2, 3. Mine was lime.
Mine was lime.
That was definitely lime.
Well, there's 3 more. All right. Well, we're gonna go till we get one.
Salud.
That one's still lime.
I don't know. I can't taste it. Maybe it was long clippings. I don't know.
Long clippings, could it taste like pine?
Mine was definitely long clippings,
Oh, it was.
but it didn't taste bad.
That's wrong. You're that cow.
Try it.
Nah.
You fucking
Try
cow.
the
Last
last
one.
one.
Ah, that was definitely not lime.
What is this like?
Okay.
Supposedly I'm winning, so he gagged. So, next we're gonna try, let me get that. Bitch. Dead fish or strawberry banana
No.
smoothie.
Which one is that?
This one.
Oh no. You have to do it with us. There's more
Okay.
than 3.
It's a dead fish or strawberry banana smoothie.
All right.
Okay. Dead fish.
Bruh.
Bruh. All right.
Salud.
Salud.
That was definitely strawberry.
Oh.
Was it? Oh!
Oh my gosh.
That was dead fish.
That tastes gross. Oh my gosh.
Bro.
He's dying.
No. Bro. Whoa, no.
That doesn't taste good.
Dude, that tastes like straight fish, bro.
Oh my. It tastes like fish. That's gross. Oh my gosh.
Man, I'm chilling.
Oh.
I'm not trying that again.
We have 3
I'm scared. No, I'm scared.
No.
No.
You gotta power through.
Who said? Who made these rules?
All right, next one. Oh my gosh.
No, don't do it again.
We have to go back to those.
That's nasty.
No.
We don't have to finish them.
No, we tried our own. That one was because long beans tastes delicious.
Fucking cow. Okay. Next one. Barf or beach? Oh
No. Which one's that?
This one.
No.
No. Yes.
I don't want to try it. No.
Look at this bitch.
I don't want to, man.
So we're trying. Where is it? This one next. This
Is
one.
it this one?
Yeah, this one.
No, I think that's either moldy cheese or caramel corn.
Pick
No.
one.
No, I think.
Yeah.
No. This one.
Where?
No, that one doesn't go with that
Which
one.
one are you trying?
I don't know which one it is.
Barf?
Is it the barf one?
Yeah, it's barf or peach.
I don't want to try it.
These.
Okay, come on, John.
Oh no.
Come on,
Barf
John.
or peach?
No. Oh.
Oh, there's 3? I guess I'll get in on this one since there's 3.
Oh,
All right,
man.
you ready?
No.
barf or peaches?
Barf or peach?
Salud.
Oh, thank God, mine was peaches.
Mine was peach.
Mine was peaches. Yeah, maybe it was the last one. No, pass.
They were all peaches.
Because I didn't taste like barf.
Mine just said barf.
Well, that's disappointing.
Mine tastes like fucking
All right.
diapers.
It is yours.
Next one. All right, there's 2 of these. So here,
you spit it out, you lose.
You're right.
rotten egg or popcorn. These 2.
No.
Come on, John. Come on, John. Let's hurry. Salud. What was the thing again?
Rotten egg or popcorn.
Thank God I got popcorn. Thank God. You said that. You a bitch. You a bitch. I'm at the movies.
Spit it out the sink.
Mama didn't raise no bitch.
Swallow it. Man, you hurl. You a little bitch. You hurl, you little bitch. Come on. Power through. Yes. I'm at Regal.
You ate the barf?
I'm a champ. That was rotten egg.
No, the barf was
rotten
horrible.
egg.
It's just like diapers.
What's the next one?
I'm
Thank
scared.
God I bought popcorn.
Canned dog food or chocolate pudding? Oh hell.
Is there 3 of them?
Dude.
Oh, there's 6. There's a lot of them. Okay. All right, I'll pick one. Come on.
No.
Bro. Dude, canned dog food.
No, come on.
Okay.
I don't know if I like Caesars.
Salud.
Salud.
He's out like those.
All right, ready?
Okay. Salud.
What is it supposed to be?
Eat the rubber more. I will give you
Oh, man. Oh, my gosh.
Mine was chocolate pudding, and theirs were canned dog food.
Oh, my gosh.
No.
Can I just swallow it?
No, yeah, you have to swallow it. Come on. Power through. No, not on my floor. Come on. Power through. Just throw it back.
Are you seriously food one.
Mama didn't read no bit. Come on, come on. I swallowed it.
Okay. Bez is over here dying.
I couldn't finish it.
I got chocolate pudding.
Okay, we're not doing that one
Got
again.
chocolate pudding. you
We're
suck.
not doing that one again.
Oh my gosh.
I was scared.
It's in my teeth.
I think the worst one so far was barf.
What's the last one?
No, we have like 2 more.
Oh, we have 2 more? Oh my gosh.
We have. Which one's this?
The white one is either spoiled milk or coconuts.
Oh,
And then we have, oh no, there's a pink one.
I don't know what that one is. Oh, is it Stinky Socks or Tutti Frutti?
Oh my gosh.
I think it's this one.
No. Okay. No. This one is moldy cheese or caramel corn. Oh. But what's this one though?
This one's spoiled milk or
No, that's what this one would be. What's this one?
This one's rotten eggs then.
Oh, there was more
Oh,
than
so the
3.
one we did was socks
We've
earlier?
already done this one.
Oh, you said we're not
Yeah.
doing that again.
So we're gonna do the spoiled milk or coconut. Oh my god.
I don't like both. What the fuck?
He's just spit it out either way.
I fucking hate coconut.
Are you ready?
No. I don't like them either.
Alright.
I fucking fail both ways.
Alright, let's go.
Okay.
Fit fam on 3, fit fam on me. 1, 2, 3, fit fam.
I got milk. Oh.
Oh
No.
no!
No.
I'm not finishing that.
I want to go home. You know, shit, I'm home. No. No, bro. It's sour and then it's like milk. It's fucking gross. No, look at his spit.
Why are you finishing that?
Hold my hair. Here, look, no. You spit, you bitch. Why? Swallow it like a champ. No. No. Not until you finish. Fucking Biz is like dying.
That was spoiled milk.
Bro, that was milk. No.
I want my mom.
Go back to your treat, bitch.
We have one more.
Yeah. The last one is moldy cheese or caramel corn.
Bro, no. I'm shook.
Where's my phone? I need to call my mom.
I'm done.
No, you're not. You
Okay,
need to
one
fucking.
more.
You one more.
Last one. Last set. Best set. Bez.
I'm scared.
Moldy cheese or caramel corn?
I'm scared.
Which one looks like mold?
I want to go home.
This one looks like caramel corn, so I'm gonna try it.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Caramel corn.
Caramel corn.
What is it?
Hey, the thing is, I don't like caramel corn. Oh, that is. Oh, thank God.
Oh, well, that's disappointing. No one got.
Oh no, it's not.
No.
It's not caramel. You lied.
He's lying.
I got scared for a minute too because I didn't taste it either. I was like, fuck.
All right, that's it.
I think it's the worst.
Nah,
No, barf was the worst.
he's joking. No, barf was the worst.
Bro, barf was straight.
Sour milk. Sour milk.
Sour milk is
Definitely
fucking
one of the worst.
No, that sound was gross. Though.
No, actually, I take that back. Canned dog food. We've
No,
got 4 canned dog food ones left, or chocolate pudding ones
No, we
left.
are throwing that away.
We're not
That's going in the trash.
ever gonna do this ever again. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy the rest of this.
I hope
vlog.
you enjoyed our suffering.
Okay, so this is Barack.
It's Barrick.
Barrick. I'm Daniel. This is Puto.
John.
John.
And he lost. I won.
Excuse me. I what?
We'll have to go back. We'll have to go back and tally up the marks to see who won the, I guess, the tiebreaker. But yeah.
But I can do a pistol squat.
So
Bitch, I'll curl you.
we'll see you guys next time. Enjoy the rest of the
At least I
vlog.
have
This will be at
legs.
the beginning of the vlog. So
Boy,
peace out.
At least I have a dick.
Hey man, chill.